case, we're going to be sharing coupons on our blog. So let's just type coupons on the search bar and hit enter. Then we're going to choose a target account. There are two criteria you want to pay attention to before choosing the right target: the amount of followers and the amount of tweets. Let's choose this one, for example. This is a good target because it has a big number of followers, actually 229,000 followers, and it has 8,300 something tweets. So this is a good target, and it's a verified account too, so that will be a good target for us. Just click on followers, and there we go. So you want to start following those people. In this way, they will notice that you follow them, and they will start following you back in few hours. But before you start this process, make sure you secure your account with a phone number, and make sure your email or the email on your account is active, because sometimes when you do that too quickly, your account is locked and you want to receive an email or a verification code on your mobile. So make sure you're using the right email and the right phone number on your account. So just click on follow, for example, 50 to 100 people, and stop for 20 minutes or half an hour and start following people again. If you do that on a daily basis, after maybe 20 days or 1 month, you will get your 10,000 followers, and that will generate a huge amount of traffic to your blog for free, of course. You're not going to pay any penny on advertising. I know this process can be quite time consuming, so you want maybe some way of doing that automatically. So for example, if you want to follow people automatically, you can install this extension in your Chrome browser. It's called iMacros for Chrome. It's also available on Firefox if you're using Firefox. Just click on it, and there are some script files you want to use to automate the process. For example, here are some scripts I use to follow people. If I click on any one of them, let's say for example 180 to 350, this script will follow the people from the follower number 180 to the follower 350. If I click on it, it will start doing the magic. You can see it's following people automatically. That way I'm not spending a lot of time on following people. I'm doing that automatically. I'm getting followers 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop, without spending much time or much money on advertising and promoting my Twitter account. If you're interested in more Twitter tricks, head over to my Twitter course. It's called Twitter Marketing Automation. You can use the coupon Blogger, just like the name Blogger we're using here. You can just use Blogger and you get a maximum discount on the course. It will show you exactly how to build your Twitter empire of followers without spending much time and much money on it. So this is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to sign for an affiliate account, so you can start promoting affiliate products on your blog.